said not to eat.
Then why they give me a menu?
What do I look like, a doctor?
Get me a goddamn sandwich.
What?
They said you can have ice chips. Here, suck these.
Yeah, suck 'em.
He said he was dying.
I will if I don't get a sandwich.
He looks okay to me.
Oh, what, so now you're a doctor?
I'm fine.
You're not fine. I am telling you, he's gonna leave here in a box.
Jesus.
Maybe we should wait in the hall.
Who are they?
We've actually met. Sean and Beverly Lincoln.
They're my writers.
What the hell do you need writers for? You're in a hospital.
We're here for support.
Safari's doing great.
So, what the hell happened?
He collapsed over breakfast. That's what happened.
Collapsed.
Well, what do you call it? His face was down in his cream of wheat. They had to rush him here in an ambulance.
Oh, when I get out of here, I'm gonna get one of those sirens. From the condo to here, 10 minutes.
Yeah, so, what did the doctors say?
They ran a bunch of tests. We're waiting to hear.
And more important, you gotta get us a better room.
What's wrong with this one?
You wanna look at that all day?
Hello.
Whatever he has, I don't want it.
Perhaps I'll just give you a little privacy. There we go.